Hi everybody, how are you today? I hope you are safe at home. Today is rainy and it's very cold. I want you to explain the difference because you made many mistakes with the simple past tense. I want to make the difference between the past tense of the verb to be, the past tense of regular verbs, and the past tense of irregular verbs, okay? The verb to be has its own past tense. So we say was, or where. Then we have the simple past tense of regular verbs, which add ed or just ed to form the past. And then we have the irregular, for example here, visit, say visited, or lived, you just add the d, okay? And then we have the past tense of irregular verbs, which you have to look for them in the list. We have a list of irregular verbs that you have to learn to be able to remember the past tense, okay? So you say, for example, go, went, meet, met, cat, cat. Irregular verbs may change completely, may change one or two letters, or don't change, and that's why they are irregular, okay? So, hola a todos, un poquito en castellano ahora. Quiero hacerles la diferencia porque algunos han cometido muchos errores al usar el pasado simple, la diferencia entre el verbo to be, los verbos regulares y los verbos irregulares, ¿sí? En estos no vamos a tener aquí, vamos a borrar un poquito. Tenemos que recordar que el verbo to be tiene su propio pasado, ¿sí? Y no se mezcla con el pasado ni de los verbos regulares ni de los verbos irregulares, ¿sí? ¿Por qué les digo esto? Muchos de ustedes agregaban was, por ejemplo, al verbo visit, para formar el pasado de visit, y eso está mal. Visit tiene su propio pasado. Una cosa era, yo estaba, yo visité, yo fui. ¿Ok? Entonces, cada uno tiene su pasado. ¿Sí? When do I use was? Was, with, for example, with I, with he, with she, with it. When do I use where? Where with you, we, and they. Right? So we have here where. And here we say was. So for example you have I was at home yesterday. Okay? And that's an example of the verb to be in the past. Estuve en casa ayer. Alright? What about you? You were at home yesterday. Alright? Y entonces uso el verbo to be solo para expresar que yo era o yo estaba. I was happy, estaba feliz. I was at home, estuve en casa. Okay? I was a child, yo era chica. But I don't mix this with these other two verbs. Alright? Here I say, for example, I visited my friend last weekend. And maybe she visited her friend last weekend. Okay? And then we have the irregular verbs. I have to remember here, I went to the park last Sunday. Or she went to the park, last Sunday. Okay, so there's no difference here. Acá no hago diferencia entre las personas. Todas las personas van a llevar el verbo visited. I, you, we, she, alright? Here I make the difference. Was or were, but not here and not here. También con los verbos irregulares, todas las personas van con la misma forma del verbo irregular en pasado. Okay? Now, this is of course in the affirmative form. I was aware, agrego either visited or left, okay? And busco en la lista the irregular verbs. I look for the verbs in the list, okay? What happens to the negative? Well, here it's very easy because again, I have to use the negative of the wasn't where. I'm going to say, for example, here wasn't, and here I'm going to say weren't. So you say, I wasn't, was plus not, and you can say, I wasn't. And here you're going to say, were. So you're going to say, you were not, or the same as weren't. Okay? But what happens here with these regular and irregular verbs? Well, this is totally different because I need the help of the auxiliary did. Here it is different. I need did plus not, which is didn't, for the negative. Okay? So, I'm going to say, for example, I didn't visit. And look at the verb. What happens here? Well, it doesn't go in the past. Why not? Because we have didn't. And what happens here? Well, I didn't go. So, exactly the same. I didn't go, I didn't visit. It doesn't go in the past because I have the didn't, right? Entonces, ¿qué pasa en estos verbos? En los verbos regulares y los verbos irregulares. Necesito la ayuda del auxiliar did, más el not, que puedo abreviarlo en didn't, ¿sí? Entonces, cuando uso didn't, I didn't visit, ¿qué le pasa al verbo? El verbo queda en infinitivo, no lleva el pasado. ¿Por qué no lo lleva? Porque ya lo tiene el auxiliar. Lo mismo pasa con los irregulares. I didn't go. Tengo que volverlo a su forma del infinitivo, ¿sí? If I say here didn't went, that's wrong. Eso está mal. Didn't visited. Eso está mal. I don't have to write the past here. I didn't go. ¿Sí? Entonces, poner el didn't y el verbo en pasado, eso está mal. Poner el didn't y el verbo en pasado, eso está mal también. ¿Ok? And the same happens in the question form. Exactamente lo mismo pasa en la pregunta. Right? Necesitamos la ayuda del auxiliar. Y necesitamos la ayuda del auxiliar. Pero ahora al principio de la oración. Y tengo que recordar la formulita. Auxiliary, subject, did you visit your friend yesterday? And did you go to the park yesterday? So, again, auxiliary, subject, verb. And here again, auxiliary, subject, verb. That's the order, okay? But remember, what happens to the verb? The verb in the infinitive form, without the past tense. Entonces, ¿qué debo recordar? Además del orden de la pregunta, auxiliar, sujeto, verbo, también tengo que acordarme que el verbo no lleva el pasado, va en infinitivo. ¿Por qué? porque el pasado ya lo tiene el did. And the same happens with lo mismo con los verbos irregulares. Auxiliar, sujeto, verbo, pero el verbo no va en pasado, porque el pasado ya lo tiene el auxiliar. Okay? And then you can answer here, yes I did, no I didn't. So those are the possible answers, yes I did, or no I didn't. And exactly the same there. Did you go? Yes I did, no I didn't. And finally we have another question form, and we need an interrogative word. Where did you go? Yesterday, for example. Otra preguntita más que tenemos que recordar es con palabra interrogativa. ¿A dónde fuiste ayer, por ejemplo? Allí no puedo responder que sí o que no.